Hey guys, it's Mike, Narcs Lifted Customs. Today's the day. We are taking the Jeep back to the owner. Here we go. I love this thing. All right guys, we are here. Drop down below, leave us a comment, tell us if you would have kept the 360 or if you'd go LF. Ah, there he is right there.
All right.
All right guys, the Jeep is going home. I'm so excited. Wait 2 seconds until you see Logan's shop area. It's, let's see how to word this. It's motivational is the word I'll use for it. It's definitely got me thinking about some stuff for our shop and kind of maybe make a hangout area here in the shop. Guys, look how cool this shop is. If y'all haven't met Logan yet, he's the owner of the Jeep, delivering it. And he's been telling me I had to come see this place since we started all this. And I was like, yeah, I'll get down there. Y'all, this place is awesome. Look at this rat rod. I mean, big block, airbags, bare metal. That thing's awesome. His dad's had that, drove it in high school.
63.
God, Logan put a fuel injection on it. He saved up money when he was 12 to have it repainted. I mean, $300 paint job, and that's 20 years ago. He drove this when he was 16, 15, 16, yeah. Yep, got it when he was 15. Yep, 390. I mean, look at the color on that, isn't that great? Jeep stuff, Scout stuff. God, this dude has all the cool surfboards.
They're paddleboards.
Paddleboards? Yeah, those.
There's little pit bikes when we ride.
Oh, yep. See, this is why I haven't been down here yet, because I know if I came down, I would be down here all the time. He'll be like, dude, please go home. Please go home. I'm like, no. I know. I'm telling you, if I wasn't working today, we'd do it. So that's the plan. Like, even cool stuff. Like, just tell me about the desk.
The desk came out of a naval ship in Seattle.
That's crazy.
It's heavy as can be.
That's, well, like, where do you come across that stuff?
Just people know I like cool old things. So.
That's awesome. And then fans, the reason we're over in this section is because I was telling him, like, even the fans that he has in here are cool. I mean,
Old drill press.
Right? Like,
still works good.
Jeez. Too cool, man. Too cool. Yeah, it's stuff like this that's super cool. Like, it's a 1955 General Electric, and he's not done anything. No, like, you know.
No,
and it works.
Up, pressure, no big deal. Just thaw it out every year.
Look at this RS50. Look at this thing. Like, I'm telling you, if you've seen one of these, comment down below and tell us how many times you've seen one. This thing is awesome. So he's fixing to start it. What's this thing weigh? 200 pounds?
It don't weigh much. Good, definitely a burner bike. Yeah, it'll go up to 12,000 RPM.
God, that's hilarious, dude. All right, I can't thank Logan enough for letting us take the time to build the Jeep. He's already out enjoying it, which is great to hear. And you see he has some really cool stuff. I look forward to spending a little more time in his shop. The motorcycles and stuff he has down there, I want to get a ride on that RS50. That thing looks like a blast. Anyways, if you want to see more of our stuff, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see daily updates, you can find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. We post here on YouTube every Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. Thanks, guys.